It's January 8th here in Korea, and I'm Kwon So-wha with the latest on the weather. I bet many of you are already used to the cold due to the harsh cold wave we've had recently. Now, continuing from the weekend, we had endurable conditions on Monday, and the same will go for this Tuesday and the days to follow. So great news there, right? However, what we'll have to be careful of this week is dry air. In fact, dry air alerts are in effect around the east and south coast regions, and those should gradually make their way to more regions, especially because there's no precipitation in store for the time being. On the other hand, we can anticipate some melting of the leftover snow that'll hopefully make it less slippery on the streets. Now, that process should also be triggered by the milder daytime temperatures. In fact, the capital Seoul rises to +1 degree, and Daegu and Gwangju reach +5, Busan even peaks at 8. And moving over to Daejeon, which is 3 degrees, Jeju and Dokdo will be in the positives for the whole day, while Mungungang stays in the negatives. Now, despite the rise, it'll still be cold in the morning and night, so please stay healthy. And now let's check on the international weather. Beijing won't be too bad during the peak hours. However, night and morning lows won't change that much, meaning big gaps in temperatures. Tokyo can enjoy double digits with lots of sunshine. Same goes for New Delhi, a little cloudier for Islamabad. Kuala Lumpur can enjoy a mix of sun and clouds, but more scattered thunderstorms in Port Moresby and Jakarta. Now, the heat in Australia that has been triggering wildfires is not letting up, with Perth and Sydney both around 40 degrees. Now, less severe in Melbourne with a small chance of precipitation. Now, much bigger chance of precipitation over in Vancouver with an expected accumulation of ½ an inch. Now, those in Montreal will get relief from the extreme cold with the high hitting the freezing point. Now, no extremes in the U.S. Chicago makes it to 4 degrees, New York to 7, and Washington, D.C. to 11. Mexico City stays in the 20s with no rain unlike last week. Further south, get outdoors in Bogota, where you can enjoy a gorgeously sunny day. Now, mainly cloudy to overcast, it'll be in Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo, but with the high temperatures that may be more favorable. Where you don't want to be outside too much is in Santiago due to cloudless skies and strong UV rays. Now, into Europe, Monday's overnight low in Moscow should hit -8, but Tuesday's high won't be that different, meaning yes, it's getting colder again. Pretty mild for those in London and Madrid, but gray in the skies. Not that different in Paris, and Berlin expects light rain. Finally, in Africa, it's getting quite windy in Cairo, so please be aware. The daytime high should peak at 18 degrees, same in Tripoli. Dakar is going to stay pretty warm. Now, that's the forecast for now. In whatever part of the world you are, have a great day or night.
That's Late Night Edition at this hour. I'm Sean Lim. Thanks for watching.